Security was tight, which is good, shoes off and everything. But now once you're through, they just let you wander around the airfield just like you own it. So we're outside the air-conditioned environment and we're heading over there to ice. Our route today is up the Caribbean island chain. Ice is all prepared, everything checked, all our flight plans in place. We're just waiting before we sit inside and heat up. A couple more minutes. We're trying to take off at 1300 hours, which is middle of the day for us compared with the last 4 or 5 days of flying. And the reason for that is we are letting weather go over the route, and in particular our final destination, which is Sint Maarten today. There will be a huge wind behind us.
Jorge, momento 1:15 da tarde. And as predicted, the speed is not yet up. Coberta pelas nuvens, mas o que a gente consegue sentir aqui